Hi friends! Welcome back to Piper's Snack and Say. I'm Piper the cat, here with a cool snack, a smart word, and some water-wise fun. Today's theme? Beach snacks and smart moves. Snack fact. Did you know strawberries are 91% water? That makes them hydration heroes. Snacks with water help your body stay cool and strong, especially on sunny swim days. Other hydration helpers? Try cucumbers, oranges, or watermelon. Time for Piper's mini recipe. Let's make rainbow pool cups. Take a small clear cup and layer these tasty colors. Red strawberries, orange slices, cucumber rounds, blueberries. Top it off with a yogurt swirl or a cheese cube. It's crunchy, juicy, and totally swim-friendly. Here's our smart word of the day. Resilient. Say it with me. Resilient. It means you bounce back when things get tough. Just like learning to swim. You might feel nervous at first, but you keep trying, and soon you're floating like a champ. Want to learn more about staying safe, smart, and strong in the water? Check out our book, Swim Smart. You'll discover swim tips, water facts, and stories that help you stay cool and confident. And don't forget to download your free printables at educolorpress.com. That's it for today's Snack and Say. Whether you're packing a healthy snack or learning a bold new word, stay curious, stay resilient, and always keep your snacks handy. See you next time for more food, facts, and fun.